Hello and welcome to Luscombe Mitsubishi's walk round video VW Up. 2015 one owner car from new. It's only done 39,000 miles, full service history. Ideal little city car these. It's automatic as well, which is a rarity. So in used car world, this pretty much is the golden egg for us. It's a small city car, automatic, power steering, satellite navigation, VW rebuild quality. It just don't get any better for us. Like I say, with being a city car, it comes with a city size boot. Nice and small there, and obviously it's got a false boot floor there, so you can hide things and so on. Move around there. It's really clean little car, bright as a button, and tornado red as they call it in VW world. And what I'll do now, I'll just walk around to the other side and we'll take you inside the vehicle, see what you look at, see what you think to it inside. So it is a small car, it is quite cavernous inside here. It's like a little TARDIS. You've got the electric window switches for the front there, the back ones actually pop out sideways. 2 keys, like I say, with being a one owner car, it has been looked after. 39,000 as you can see on the clocks there. You've got air conditioning also, obviously power steering. It is very light, it's like one finger jobby on that one. Brilliant, and really nice and light. Satellite navigation, and obviously you've got the radio down there, which is a rarity nowadays. It's got a CD, so for us analogues, we can still listen to our music. Lovely seats, no marks, no tears, no rips or anything. It's in really good condition. It'd make an ideal first car or a second car, or like I say, if you're just going into city centres, it's perfect. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, by all means just give us a shout. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Goodbye.